Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know we're in an awkward space, but we are in my closet, actually my son's half of the closet, and I wanted to do a declutter video for you guys, getting rid of some of his old stuff, some of my old stuff, so I can make space for new ones. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click the bell on the side for notifications on when I post new videos.
So first thing that I'm starting with is decluttering my son's onesies. He has so many onesies that don't even fit him. He got so many that are brand new that don't even fit him. Some of these he wore once or maybe twice, and I'm just separating them by the ones that don't fit him and the ones that do fit him, sweatshirts that do fit him, and just seeing what we are going to keep and what we're not going to keep. It's pretty crazy how quick babies go through clothes and how quick they outgrow their clothes. That's why I didn't really go crazy buying clothes. Most of the clothes that you see here are gifts that we got from our baby shower. I honestly did not buy any of these. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I didn't buy any of my son's clothes. Most of these were gifts. Next thing that I started checking out were his onesie pajamas. These he outgrew very fast as well. Now I'm just checking to see which ones fit him, which ones don't, and which ones will fit him later on, because some of these are really big. And let me tell you, for Christmas, he got so many socks. Like, it's ridiculous how many pairs of socks he got and clothes. But that is something that I asked for during Christmas. The next thing that I'm going through is his pants bin. He also has a lot of pants that do fit him, some that don't, and I usually don't have him wearing pants often in the house. I'd prefer him just to have a onesie on or the full-length pajama, but more likely I'll use the pants when we're going out. I usually like putting tracksuits on him when we're gonna do a quick grocery run. I mean, now we're quarantined, so we can't really do anything, but if it's like a quick run to the grocery store or something like that, I usually like to put like quick tracksuits on him, and that is such a time saver for me. Next bin that I am going to declutter is his medicine / essential bin. So this is where I keep all his lotions, all his medicines, all of the things that are prescribed to him, the first aid kit and all of that stuff. I do have another bin in the living room. You'll see later on that I have all the other lotions, but these are more like the everyday things that I use. I have his play mat here and some of his play pillows. I do have a bin with all of his toys. I actually have a dresser with all of his toys that I didn't get to record and put in this video because it's in like a really awkward place and it's gonna look weird and dark, so I didn't record that. But he has like 3 bins full of toys that I like to alternate through when he's playing or whenever I just want to have him like entertained. Hey guys, so it's day 2. What I'm gonna do is declutter some of my son's stuff here that I have in the living room. He's actually here playing on the floor, so I'm actually deconditioning. But yeah, I'm gonna just declutter some of his stuff and show you guys the process. I don't think here I actually have to declutter much, but more like organize. So let's hop into it. I'm starting off by cleaning the top of this dresser. This dresser was actually in my room before, but then I moved it back out into the living room because I think I needed way more space. And I'm just moving my printer, making sure that the countertop is nice and spotless. And then I'm moving into his bins. His first bin is full of the lotions and soaps and stuff, how I said before, travel kits, small things like that. I have them all in one bin. Some of them I haven't even opened from the baby shower because I don't really give my son a shower every day. I give him a shower every other day because his skin is so dry, which is why I use a special medicated cream that the doctor gave me. The next bin right under that is where I have the extra formula and extra Pampers that are not in a box. The ones that are in a box are usually in the other closet. And this new block set that one of my friends gave me for our baby shower, my son's been loving it lately. This cute little box, my dad gave it to us for Christmas with Cade's Christmas gifts. What I have in here is the baby's memory book that my mom got us. I have his towels, his receiving blankets. I like to use them as like cover-ups for when I'm breastfeeding. I just think this box is like so cute. It's Christmas themed, but I still think that it's so aesthetically cute. This next section right under is like a miscellaneous section. It's not really his. It's just where I have like all my extra decorations that I couldn't put anywhere else. I do have a Cantu set down there. I have some other shampoos. I have some decorations, my owls, cute little vase, stuff like that that I had around everywhere that I had to reorganize because I started putting the baby stuff over there. And I also have my wedding photo booth book that I got from Capture the Moment. Follow them on Instagram for any of your photo booth needs. They are amazing. The bin right next to it, it has some of his stuffed animals. This was donated from the military academy to him for Christmas, just, you know, like a way for them to give back. Right above it is one of my favorites, is his book collection. So for our baby shower, what was set up was that you should bring a book if you aren't gonna bring a gift. Some people brought both. Some people brought gifts and a book, but we wanted books specifically so that you can read to them as much as you can during your pregnancy and once they're born and stuff. So my son got a lot of books and I just put every single one of them here and I try to alternate through them as much as I can. Next to that is pretty empty. I had something else in here. It's the Teach My Baby learning kit that my son's godmother got for him. And then the last section right under there is where I have his shoes. I have my Polaroid camera and I have the box where his baby monitor came in. So I still have his shoes in boxes because he doesn't wear them. I mean, we're not going anywhere right now and they still kind of fit him big. So I have all of his shoes there and it's just easy for me when I'm going out anywhere to just pull them out. But we're quarantined, so there's nowhere else to go but the living room or the kitchen. So yeah. Now the last thing that I did was that I swept, because let me tell you, even though my dogs don't shed a lot, they do shed, but I swept again and then I cleaned my floor with Fabuloso. I threw some of it on the floor and then I just used my Swiffer wet jet. My Swiffer wet jet does have a liquid, but I wanted something a little bit stronger, so that's what I use to wipe and clean my floor. And don't mind the markings on the wall. My dog, well, one of my dogs has like just chipped some of that away, so yeah, that's kind of annoying. Now this is the end of this vlog and of this declutter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and click the bell on the side just so you can get notifications on when I post new videos. Let me know if you like videos like this and I'll continue to do more since there's really nothing else to do during this quarantine. I hope you guys are all safe and sound with your families, and let's stay connected on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.